Hello friend, how are you? We study in chemistry subject BSc Sem 5 Unit 5. Its name is Synthesis of Heterocyclic Compound Contain two heteroatoms. Here first of all with introduction, what is heterocyclic compound? Heterocyclic compound are cyclic compound with at least two different elements as a ring atom. Here, heterocyclic compound is a cyclic compound contain two different elements. Most of the heterocyclic compound contain carbon atom along with heteroatom such as oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Here we see that compound with at least two different elements. Here carbon atom along with other atom is heteroatom. Oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. That means it is compound called heterocyclic compound. Let's see one example. Here CH2, 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 CH2. We know that its compound name is cyclohexane. Here contain one type of element. Here this membrane contain only carbon atom. We see that means it is cyclic compound, but our compound is heterocyclic. Here remove of one carbon atom by heteroatoms such as oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur, then this compound convert into heterocyclic compound. CH2, CH2, CH2. Here oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur may be used. Then here we see that here carbon atom along with heteroatom. Carbon atom also along with heteroatom oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur. Then this compound is called heterocyclic compound. And here it is cyclic compound. In heterocyclic compound contain here one hydrogen atom. That means heterocyclic compound contain one heteroatom. But in our chapter contain two heteroatoms. That's one example. CH2, 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 and CH2, oxygen atom, CH2, and here a cyclic compound contain nitrogen and oxygen, two heteroatoms. Then carbon atom along with heteroatom such as at least one. Here 1, 2 and 3 different atoms. That means here heterocyclic compound contain two heteroatoms. Now we study nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound are very well in nature and great importance in our life. Their structure exists. Number of natural products such as hormones, vitamin, chlorophyll, enzyme and antibodies and alkaloid. And then also the most important structure is DNA and RNA. In DNA and RNA contain long chain of nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound, and also heterocyclic compound useful in drug molecular, improve biological activity, diastop, catalyst, pharmaceutical, fungicide and etc. Now heterocyclic compound are used in synthesis and chemical reaction in great value in research field. Now our next topic is nomenclature of heterocyclic compound.
Next topic is nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. આપણે બધાને ખબર છે કે જ્યારે કેમિસ્ટ્રીમાં કોઈ પણ કમ્પાઉન્ડનું નામ આપવાનું થાય ત્યારે આયુપેસિક નોમેનક્લેચર રૂલનો ઉપયોગ કરતા હોય. ત્યારે એના અમુક નિયમ હોય કે એ નિયમ પ્રમાણે એ કમ્પાઉન્ડનું નામ આપી શકીએ. એ જ પ્રમાણે heterocyclic કમ્પાઉન્ડના પણ નામ આપવાનું થાય ત્યારે એના અમુક બેઝિક રૂલ છે કે એ બેઝિક રૂલ પ્રમાણે એનું નોમેનક્લેચર આપી શકીએ. કે જે આપણે 1, 2, 3 and 4 type of rule must be remember and note down. This rule must be remember and note down. This rules is used for nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. First of all, we see that some basic rule of heterocyclic compound nomenclature. First, we see that first rule, heteroatom and its prefix. Here oxygen use heteroatom, then its prefix is oxa. Nitrogen atom use, this prefix is aza. Sulfur use, then prefix is thia. Then phosphorus using, prefix is phosphor. Now, second rule, we see that size of ring. Suppose ring of size is 3 member, 4 member, 5 member, 6 member, 7 member, 8 member, 9 member, 10 member. In under, it is saturated, unsaturated or saturated with nitrogen atom. Suppose 3 member ring, heterocyclic compound, it is saturated, contain nitrogen atom. So its name is suffix iridine. Suppose saturated compound with oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur, then use iron. Suppose is 4 member ring, saturated ring, then use ethane. Suppose 4 member ring, it is unsaturated, use Et. Suppose 5 member ring, it is saturated, then suffix is used olein. Suppose it is unsaturated, this is used OLE. Suppose it is 6 member ring, now use enen, and it is unsaturated, then is INE. Here simple way to use by some common rule. IRA, ETA, OL, IN, EP, OC, ON, EC. And third number rule, see that in case of substitution the heteroatom in given number first. કે જ્યારે કોઈપણ સાયક્લિક કમ્પાઉન્ડમાં સબસ્ટિટ્યુટેડ ગ્રુપ થયેલું હોય ત્યારે heteroatomનો નંબર ફર્સ્ટ આપવાનો. Let's see one example. It is 5 member heterocyclic ring. It contains one substituted group, bromine. Then numbering first atom is heteroatom. Then minimum number of given by substituted atom 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 1 number and 2 number, and this side 1 number and 5 number. That means 1 number and 2 number is right, 1 number and 5 number is wrong. Another example, another point is if more than one heteroatom in the ring, then the priority of given by this order. જ્યારે સાયક્લિક કમ્પાઉન્ડ એક કરતા વધારે હીટરો એટમ આવેલા હોય ત્યારે પ્રાયોરિટી જે રહી એ આ ઓર્ડર પ્રમાણે આપવાનું થાય નંબરિંગ. લેટ્સ સી વન એક્ઝામ્પલ. Here, 6-member heterocyclic compound contain oxygen atom and nitrogen atom. ત્યારે આપણે ઓક્સિજન અને નાઇટ્રોજન બે હીટરો એટમ છે, ત્યારે બે માંથી કેને ફર્સ્ટ નંબર આપવાનો? તો કે જે 4 નંબરનો જે રૂલ્સ રહ્યો એ પ્રમાણે ઓક્સિજનને પ્રાયોરિટી નાઇટ્રોજન કરતા વધારે આવે, એટલે ઓક્સિજનને પ્રાયોરિટી પહેલા આપવાની અને પછી નાઇટ્રોજનને પ્રાયોરિટી આપવાની. નોમેનક્લેચર ઓફ હેટેરોસાયક્લિક કમ્પાઉન્ડમાં જ્યારે નોમેનક્લેચર આપવાના થાય કમ્પાઉન્ડનું ત્યારે આ 4 રૂલ્સ જે રહ્યા એ ફોલો કરવા પડે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આ જે રૂલ્સ જે રહ્યા એને આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ દ્વારા ઇઝીલી આપણે સમજી. લેટ્સ સી વન એક્ઝામ્પલ. Here, first of all, see first rule: heteroatom which use oxygen. Oxygen use prefix oxa plus size of ring 1, 2, 3. 3-member ring. Ring size 3. Which type? Saturated or unsaturated? It is saturated. Then use iron. The name is oxy. જ્યારે બે સ્વર ભેગા થતા હોય બાજુ બાજુમાં ત્યારે આગળનો જે સ્વર હોય એ કે એ રિમૂવ કરી દેવાનો નામનો. Now see another example. Here, heteroatom is nitrogen atom. Use nitrogen atom by prefix aza. Then next point is size of ring. 1, 2, 3. 3-member ring. It is unsaturated. Unsaturated with nitrogen atom. It means use iron. Then its name is azirine. જે રૂલ જોઈએ એ પ્રમાણે કે બે ટોન્સ મીન્સ સ્વર જ્યારે ભેગા થાય ત્યારે આગળનો જે એ જે રહ્યો એ રિમૂવ કરી નાખવાનો. મીન્સ નેમ ઇઝ azirine. લેટ્સ સી અનધર એક્ઝામ્પલ. This is same example for again example, but it is saturated. Here heteroatom is nitrogen, then use prefix aza plus saturated with nitrogen atom, then use iridine, not irene. Then its name is aziridine. Now see next example. In this cyclic compound, sulfur atom then use prefix thia plus which member ring? 5-member ring. 5-member rings which is saturated or unsaturated? It is unsaturated ring. Then use OLE. Then its name is thiol. Let's see another example. Here, nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom use prefix aza plus size of ring 6-member. It is saturated. Then use inin. Then its name is azanin. Let's see another example. Here, this example is contain oxygen heteroatom. Then use prefix oxa plus it is partially saturated. It means it is partially unsaturated. That means use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6-member ring. Then use 6-member unsaturated ring. And but here 1 and 2. 2 position contain 2 hydrogen. It means 2 hydro oxygen. જ્યારે આવી રીતના કોઈ પણ પોઝિશન ઉપર બે હાઇડ્રોજન એમને જોવા મળે ત્યારે અહીંયા આપણે જે પોઝિશન હોય એ પ્રમાણે લખવાનું 2 હાઇડ્રો ઓક્સિન 2 હાઇડ્રો ઓક્સિન. Let's see another example is see that in case of substituted heteroatom in given the number first. See this example. Here, one substituted group bromine. Then use heteroatom given first number 1, 2 and 3. That means 3 bromo. Nitrogen atom. Use prefix aza plus which member ring? 6-member ring saturated is that's name is 3 bromo azanin. Let's see another example. Suppose if more than one heteroatom in the same ring, the priority is given by this order. Let's see one example. Here, 2 nitrogen atoms are same. then priority is given by this rule is not followed. Two atoms are same, that time we use di, tri, tetra, that type rules. Here two nitrogen atom position, which position? 1 2 3 4, 1 4, two nitrogen atom, it means use prefix as a di, as a plus 6-member ring saturated, use inert. That name is 1,4 diazine. Let's see another example. See this example. Here, oxygen and nitrogen atom are two heteroatoms. Then given first priority by this force number rule. Force number rule. Here, oxygen is given first priority. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. First priority oxygen means oxa plus nitrogen use aza plus 6-member ring unsaturated ring use in. That name is 1,4 oxazine. જ્યારે આ રીતના બે વખત એ ભેગા થાય ત્યારે એક એ જે રિમૂવ કરી નાખે, એટલે કે જ્યારે બે સ્વર આવી રીતના ભેગા થાય ત્યારે આગળનો જે સ્વર કે ગમે તે જે એ હોય એ રિમૂવ કરી નાખવાનો. અહીંયા પણ એ રીતના એ અને આઈ બંને જે સ્વર છે તો એમાંથી આગળનો જે સ્વર એ જે રહ્યો એ રિમૂવ કરી નાખવાનો. Let's see another example. Here, 5-member ring contains sulfur and nitrogen atom, and priority first is given by fourth number rule. Sulfur is given first, then nitrogen. Here we see that partially unsaturated ring. First we use 2 hydro, 2 number ઉપર 2 હાઇડ્રોજન જોવા મળે. It means 2 hydro 1 3 sulfur use prefix thia plus nitrogen use aza plus 5-member ring unsaturated, then its use OLE. The name is 2 hydro 1 3 thiazole. Let's see another example. Here this six-member ring contain two heteroatom oxygen atom. That means use dioxa plus six-member ring, unsaturated ring. Use then its name is dioxin. જ્યારે આવી રીતના હેટ્રોસાયક્લિક કમ્પાઉન્ડનું નોમેનક્લેચર આપવાનું થાય ત્યારે આ જે ચાર રૂલ્સ જે રહ્યા એ ફોલો કરવાના થાય. આ જ રીતના જ્યારે અમુક હેટ્રોસાયક્લિક કમ્પાઉન્ડ જે રહ્યા એના અમુક કોમન નેમ પણ હોય, જેમ આપણે